Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. I'm looking at the clock. Yeah, it's still morning. Robin and I didn't want to get out of bed this morning, despite our blue-eyed blunder, Kiko, who is our Siamese. Siamese are devils. She wanted us up very early this morning. So we got up a little late and did our grocery shopping, got some Thanksgiving stuff taken care of. Yeah. This is still going to be a full week for recipes and doing some serious cooking in the kitchen this week. Next week, we're having fun with food. We're talking possibly nachos and hot dogs and hamburgers and just stuff up until Wednesday night. Then Thursday, it's on. Yeah. So I got lazy after working on Soup Symphony. Pretty much a good portion of the day. I took a nap. Didn't want to get out of bed. So I didn't cook the cheesy breadsticks. Two-parter today. But really only 1.5 or ish for me. I will be doing the cheesy breadsticks after I get this all posted up and all that stuff's done. And Robin is cooking tonight. I'm doing all her prep, so I'm playing sous chef. And so yeah, it's cheesy breadsticks for lunch-ish. And Arroz Imperial, which is a dish, it's actually a meal that Robin brought home a few weeks ago. And Robin decided, I want to cook this. So yeah, it's going to be fun. One of the things that I had to do, or didn't have to, I could have bought it, but I actually did the research and did a special blend. It's not a special blend. It's a blend. It's very well known. It's very common in the Latin world and the Mexican food world. And it's called Sazon Caprilla. My Spanish sucks, okay? But I had a lot of fun doing this blend. It basically means a complete seasoning. That's what it translates to. So, and it's actually in 2 parts of this entire dish. There's 3 parts of this dish. There's the chicken, or pollo. There's the sofrito. And then there's the yellow rice. So let's get to it. Got some hardware going. Yeah, more hardware. We're using chicken thighs, sliced ham. So there's a little bit of white wine in this and a little bit of tomato sauce. There's sharp cheddar and a 4-cheese Mexican blend. Some mayo. We're basically halving the main portion of this and quartering the rice portion. So it's 1 bell pepper. Bell didn't have any red, so we're going with orange. There'll be some diced yellow onion, some garlic, of course, some long grain white rice. And here is the blend. One of the blends that is available through Casual Chef on Etsy. This is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful blend. It's got, let's see here. What is in this? Coriander, garlic, cumin, annatto, cilantro, oregano, onion, black pepper, celery, parsley, and white pepper. It's pretty complete. And here's again the fixings for the cheesy breadsticks. The dough, which I purchased, this is like I said, about 15 ounces of pizza dough from Bel Air, some kosher salt, some olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, ground oregano, and there'll be some of this wonderful garlic, a marinara sauce for dipping, and some mozzarella cheese. And I got some hardware waiting, and I will definitely be using my work surface to roll out these wonderful cheesy breadsticks. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.